Cooling out, what?
Is there something really stupid on the front of your sweater?
There's something stupid on the front of my sweater? What?
Look at over.
Hey, don't baby, remember when we were both like baby shelves?
Wait, what?
We were both like baby shelves at the same time, and it was like an awkward silence, and we were both like baby shelves. Yeah. We were both like dying.
You had that on cam.
I wish we had that on cam. We don't have that on cam.
Oh no, we don't have that.
This is Alana riding Pencilhead. Pencilhead. This is our little gangster. Little gangster, come here.
Do your gangster side.
No, gangster, come here.
Do it. Do it.
Come here, little gangster.
Come on, do it. Hey, it's amazing.
Do your little gangster. I know.
Okay, do it.
Sure wore that sweater.
It's on camera.
This is our little gangster.
She can do gangster songs if she wants to.
I know, he loves Pony so much. Bear's hiding behind Hudson so Opie won't hurt him.
Do it. Come on, please.
Do it.
No.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
She's a
You can do it.
She's learning.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it well. Yeah.
Come on, please. She's being stubborn right now. She'll do it eventually.
Do it. Do it for yourself and Larry. Oh, that's right.
I gotta go right.
No, you gotta do that. Okay, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. It takes 5 seconds. Do it, Larry.
Why would I do it?
Just do it. You. Do it.
No.
For details, visit telesmobility.com.
Shouldn't it? Roll. It's like a party in here. Here you've been. Sure.
Atlanta. Something like happened to my camera. I never used to be like this. I changed the settings by accident probably. Itchy oops. I'm videoing you. It's not you. Little gangster. We're gonna vid the little gangster riding. I'll do it.
No, I don't want to vid.
Oh,
You're really bad at vidding.
what? Whatever. You always give me the camera when I don't want to vid. That's why we should have Meg. Invisible Meg.
Grounded.
Yeah, I know. Grounded Meg. I don't know, we'll figure that out a little bit later in life.
Where are we?
I don't know.
Let's go around.
Oh yeah. We can't though. We can't go over, people are trotting over there.
This fresh moment deserves another.
Chelsea, I don't want to, you spy on Steve. No, it's creepy when I do it.
I'm not going to do it the first time.
Uh-oh.
Gangster riding. I don't like this song. I've never heard this song. How embarrassing. I wish we could sing to it. Oh, I know the song.
Dirty.
Uh-oh. Oh, it smells over. Oh, that's because Opie pooed. Ew, smelly Ope. Smelly Ope. How embarrassing. That's true. Sister. Ow.
Everyone knows it's this one.
Hudson's like, I'm a gangster. I'm not a gangster. Hudson's a stinky kid.
In the mirror.
Shelton Myers in the mirror.
My hair's falling. Look at him.
No, gangster.
Oh, gangster. Hudson's like, I'm stuck here.
Oh. No, we're stuck, Larry.
Okay, take a picture in the mirror.
No, wait, we'll just take screenshots. I made gay faces and now you're gonna screenshot them and we're gonna make. How did I get the camera?
I don't know. Oh yeah.
Oh, true. This is our secondary gangsta.
You videotaping?
Maybe. No, I'm not. I'm taking a picture of you. Yeah, we'll put it on Facebook.
Under Laura's and Michelle, whatever. Lauren and Shelby Johnston.
Johnston. Pencil head.
Obi.
Pencil head.
Oh, look, he's inside you. Don't lick him. He's not, but he is licking him. He's massaging him. He's such a tart. He's massaging him.
Yeah, there's just such a tart.
We're tart. See, this is abuse that we get from Alana. What? Play my little game.
What game? What? What?
What heart? Oh, Obi can have one. Fancy. Wait, I want that. What is this kind of music? I don't know. I do everything to keep his what?
The music.
I really...
Let's take pictures.